funny that you should mention that because so with Marie Kondo, I see that she has everybody pull everything out and look at everything together, which I think is amazing so that you can really get the shock of what you own. But it's also really not realistic for the lives that we lead because it's not a bite-sized chunk. It's not something you can manage and not feel overwhelmed.
So what would you suggest?
I would suggest doing small spaces just like we're going to look at today.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this closet. It's overwhelming with stuff. Stuff.
Ooh. Yeah, you've got some stuff. I love it.
A lot.
I love it. So what do you find is your number one problem in this closet?
Keeping it organized. I buy more clothes and then I don't have sufficient space to fit it all in.
Do you have any trouble finding what you're looking for?
Yes. So I end up buying more pairs of jeans because I can't find my jeans. When I have about 10 pairs of jeans, this needs to be cleaned up.
Is this all your clothes?
All mine.
Perfect. So first off, we do want to get all these clothes out. After we get all the clothes out, we're going to talk about items in your closet. Things that make you happy, things that you keep, aren't always items that you wear every day. In fact, the things that we wear every day don't necessarily spark joy because we're going to work and we have to wear grown-up clothes. And my favorite things in my closet are gorgeous dresses, and clearly I cannot work in those. So the question is, does it make you happy? And while I'm watching you talk about it, yeah, you can picture yourself wearing this. You're excited about the events that you're going to. So it's a keeper. Tell me about this.
The tags are still on it.
Okay. How long has it been in your closet with the tags still on?
Oh my God, I'd say probably 3 or 4 years.
What's kept you from wearing it?
This is not work clothes. It's not utilitarian. I imagine myself maybe going to a holiday party with this, and this is one expensive outfit.
Okay.
And I never used it.
So now the problem that I'm seeing is I'm watching on your face the guilt that you bought this and you never wear it.
For a lot of money I bought it.
Right. And so now it's sitting here in your closet, unworn, making it harder for you to get to everything, making it harder for you to find things, making it so that you buy more stuff because you can't find your stuff. So this outfit is actually costing you more money, even though it cost you a lot of money to begin with. When you put things back in, you want them by category. I go as deep as rainbow order, but that might be overkill for some people. But that way you know, oh, I want my long sleeves. I'm going to go ahead and go over here where my long sleeves are. And then you can go find the shirt you're looking for. Or, oh, all my jeans are piled right here. So you put everything back in categories. You store like items with like items. There are 2 things I would buy for your closet if you were to completely redo this. This is contractor grade, which is perfectly fine, but Rubbermaid and ClosetMaid both make closet organizers that can up to triple your space by taking out the existing and putting in double hung areas, some shelves, a single hung area, a very small single hung area. You don't even look like you need one for longer dresses.